Hey guys, this is Rowan today, and I'm back with another video because I'm making a video right now. But I'm gonna record face. No, bro, I'm not talking to myself. That was just my brother. Hi guys. Okay, time to go over here. Shan't. Okay, that wasn't right. Wait up, I'm trying to do something. Oh. What's happening? Okay, something happened. Okay, we're gonna play Pokemon Tycoon. Okay, there. Okay, let's get this. Continue. Flip a zoo. Flips for you. Not one, it's two, it's flip. Flip a zoo. Oops, sorry guys. Sorry, that's in the way. Pokemon. Oh yeah, I played this game before. I played this game before. Yeah, I played this game before. This game was heck easy. This game is heck easy. I played this before. I went back to it. But I'm sure yeah, I have played this. It's a boom. I can't help it. I'm sorry. It's not one. It's two. It's flip. Flipazoo. My dinosaur. I got a dinosaur in my. Where did that come from? Did it come from you, sir? Yeah. Not one. It's two. It's flip. Flipazoo. That looks cool. How much money do I have right here? I got 200 already. That's kind of a lot already because 315 bucks is a bunch. What if I buy this? Ooh, cute. It's gonna be good. Let's just go see how much money we have right here. And we got, BAM! We got 606 Pokecoins. Pokecoins are the best coins in the whole wide world. Bulbasaur? What? BAM! I suck at doing that. Don't ask what I'm watching. Squirtle operator. Flipazoo. What happened? Oh, okay, good. Sorry, guys. Go down below in the comment and try to see what I'm watching right now. Okay, buy this, buy this, buy more, buy more window, buy stuff. Oh. What's up? So boring. Hurry up and pick up the pace. Why won't you pick up the pace? I'm not freaking charging. What is wrong with this? You guys? Hi. I don't really want the Pikachu one. I'm sorry, I was tired of Tycoon. Yes. No, I do not want to play that game. Ooh, that got to hurt. Yeah. I suck at this. Purchase walls. Purchase second floor. I need some second floor up in here. You guys, I'm tired of 7th grade life. I don't want to do this. 7th grade life sucks. 7th grade life. I do not belong here. I don't belong here. I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. I'm here. I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. I'm gonna whip and what? Let's go with it. What in the heck? How did he spend all those? Did you guys see? He had like 121,000 and he dropped all the way to 1.4K. Okay, I'm gonna have to, like, I don't need, oh, actually, Sorry guys, I had to put it right there. I can't get up for some reason. I could if I wanted to, but it doesn't let me. Can I get up, please? Get off your butt. Yes. Please tell me there's some swords in this. I need some swords. Can I come in? Can I come in? Can I? Can I? Can I? Can I even jump over? Okay. I wanna go in. Let me go in. Don't be a jerk. Let's just kill ourselves. He wasn't gonna open it anyway, so no. He wasn't gonna even open us to him. So might as well bail. Because he didn't open me, then I'm not gonna open him soon. I'm actually really happy that the guest is not gonna be able to talk to us. Like, not gonna bother us because he doesn't have any weapons of sorts. I need me some stuff. I'm sorry you guys, it's getting a little bit boring because you know how I'm like, this is a new thing for me. I barely have 13 subscribers. And if you guys stick with me, I might do some fun things like some challenges because sooner in the future I'm gonna be able to like be uploading even more and more as I go on, and I could do challenges, get a computer, get a computer, because I'm not the only one who knows. I don't know, stairs, why would they put the roof before the stairs? That makes no sense. That makes no sense. I'm just gonna go visit somewhere. Well guys, during when I'm being tycoons, I'm not gonna have face cam. So bye bye face cam. Okay, I need me some milk. We need some milk. Oh thank goodness, I guess he thought it was so boring. I'm sorry that you guys think this is laggy because I know it's laggy. It's laggy for me too. Don't worry. Try my best. What time is it? I gotta go to school tomorrow. Give me that! Give me more! I'm hungry for more. Bro, I could get so much stuff. So much. Let's just go see what things McGee. Let's see how much things they could come into. Oh, that looks good. That looks some good, nice roundups. Look at all my Pokeballs. I'll chop so many Pokemon. Wait, can my dinosaur go in there? I hope not. He's my buddy. Dinosaur's my buddy. I'm gonna call her Mr. Dino. Mr. D. I'm gonna call him Mr. D. You know what? Mr. Dino is better. Let's call him Mr. Dino. You know what? You guys put it in the comments. What do you guys want me to call my dino? Because I don't know. Obviously, I don't know. So, you guys have to help me out. Please help me out. Por favor. Por favor. Boom. Boom. What the? Get me some milk. Let me see. Don't drop the soap though. You guys, whenever you're taking a shower, don't drop the soap. Because my dino just dropped the soap. I do not like it. I kicked him out of the house for 2 days straight. So he better not drop the soap a second time. Because he knows the consequences if he drops the soap. Okay, how long is this video been going? Oh, shoot. Bye, guys.